Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 2011 Chevy Suburban 2500. So it's got 6-liter, 3/4 ton. Obviously got a few dings and scratches, got some miles on it. Come from the state of South Dakota, one of their fleet vehicles. Got good tread on the tires. You'll see some lighter scratches. Like I said, these were DOT or whatever vehicles, so they scratch here and there. 175, 335, dash is cracked, pretty typical of these. You'll see that windshield broke, but we do have a new one coming for it. You can set 3 up front, 3 in the back. This one you can get it has a spot for a 3rd seat, but it is not in there currently. But as far as rust for a Suburban of this age up north, pretty good. Got a few little things, like I said, trailer package. Let's see if you can find a scratch here and there. But if you're looking for a 3/4 ton Suburban, portable one to pull your camper, this one will fit the bill for sure. And we'll put a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty on it. Can't beat that. Drivetrain only. 605-695-7391.